audience to lead us in prayer. Ma'am, hindi ko mag-English. So, good afternoon, section gentlemen. Good afternoon, Ma'am Jessa. Okay, you now sit down. Thank you, Ma'am Jessa. Okay, so before we start with our discussion for today, let me share with you our rules for today. So we have here the word listen. So L means lower your voice. So pag kayo po yung nagsasalita, inaano po yung boses nyo. Okay? I for increase your attention. Gusto ko sa akin lamang ang inyong mga atensyon at mamaya na yung makikipag-chit-chat. Okay? At letter S, search your goal. At letter C, stand for ease your mind. E for engage in class. It means you need to participate if teacher Jess will ask questions. All you need to do is to answer. Then N is never leave your notes blank. So if merong mga importanteng notes or merong mga importanteng information na sasabihin si teacher Jess, so all you need to do is to take down, okay? Okay, so and now let us move on with our verse for today. Our verse for today is in Romans chapter 14 verse 12. It says here that therefore being responsible in our actions, decisions, and stewardship is crucial as we will face judgment for our deeds. So no matter what we do, even if it is bad or good, at the end of the day we will face judgment from the God. Okay, do you understand? Okay, so very good. So now let us proceed with our objectives for today. So can you read, girls, for our objectives number 1? Identify what are the factors of weather and what are the safety precautions during weather conditions. Okay, number 2, go boys. Develop understanding of weather impact safety. Okay, how about number 3 altogether? How safety precautions for hot, rainy, and stormy weather conditions. So those are our objectives for today. Yes? That's okay. Sorry po. Okay. So, so those are our objectives for today. So we have 3 objectives. First is for you to identify what are the factors of weather and what are the safety precautions for you to do during different weather conditions. And second one is to develop an appreciation for the impact of weather on our personal safety. And lastly, to act out safety precautions for hot, rainy, and stormy weather conditions. So before we formally start with our discussion, we will have a group activity first. So you will be grouped into 4. So everybody count 1, 2, 3, start from you. 2, 3, the hotness or the coldness of air. So this means that it is how hot or it is how cold the air will experience. And also, the air temperature of place depends on the angle at which they are o saan sila nakikita or kung saan sila okay lang. Okay, it says here that the air temperature depends on a place or on the angle of which the sun hits its surface and amount of heat it receives from the sun. So, just like here in the Philippines, we have our two weather, just like the sunny and the rainy day. So, other countries experience both. Yes, they have snow and autumn, spring. So, it depends upon where location they belong. So, we are here in the Philippines, so we experience rainy and sunny only. Okay? And now, for the second one, which is air pressure. Air pressure means air Earth's atmosphere constantly bounce off each other. Air pressure is the heaviness of the air above us. Places of higher temperature experience time to weather conditions. Okay, make you understand. Places with a high air pressure. What? Places with a I know. Stand up, please. Places with high air pressure. What? Low pressure. What else? What does it mean if the place is high in air pressure? Fair weather. Fair weather condition. How about if low pressure air pressure? Bad weather from cloudy to rainy or sunny weather. Okay, when the place is in the low air pressure, it means what? Cloudy, rain or sunny weather. Okay. Okay, the next one is okay, can you all read? Water vapor moisture in the air. Water vapor is gas the air that melts rain or snow. Okay, humidity means it is an amount of water vapor or moisture in the air. So water vapor means it is a gas in the atmosphere that helps make cloud, rain, or snow. Okay. And now let us proceed. Oh, do you have any questions about humidity?
No.
Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, let us proceed on the next one. What's that? Direction. Wind direction. That is a wind speed and direction. So all together read. Wind is moving air. It is produced by uneven heating of Earth's surface. A wind is named after the direction it blows. A wind blowing from the east from an east wind. Okay, what do you call the wind that's blowing from the east? East wind. How about wind blowing from the west? West wind. West wind. So, sino nga yung nakakuha ng word na wind? The direction. Wind means turn up. What did you say kanina? What's okay? Wind is a direction. Direction of what? Oh, the of wind. We have light wind, moderate, and what else? The strong. So what does it mean if it is a light wind? Slow siya. What do you mean? Slow. Are you sure? All together read. Can be seen as smoke, slowly and fast, move like wind. You can also hear the leaves rustle, and the wind can be felt on the face. So, what do you feel when you have a light wind? What do you feel? Light wind only. Okay, another answer? Okay, nag-form siya na smoke. What else? Light wind. It can be felt on the face. Okay, it can be felt on the face. What else? And the leaves can be the stand up leaves. And the leaves can be okay, very good. How about when we talk about moderate wind? What does it mean? Moderate wind can sway leaves, twigs, and small branches of trees and pick up dust from the ground. So what does it mean about the moderate wind? It can sway branches of leaves and twigs. Yes. Okay, and now let's proceed on the strong wind. So before you read that one, what does strong wind mean? Creates a whistling sound as branches of trees sway and move. Malakas na hangin. Okay, malakas na hangin. So if it is, or if we have a strong wind, ano po yung ibig sabihin nun? May bagyo po ba o wala? Yes! Strong winds? Yes. There is a chance na mayroong bagyo. Okay? Okay, we are done with the wind speed and okay, we are done. We are done with the wind speed and direction. And now let us proceed on the cloud formation. So, clouds come in different sizes, shapes, and even colors. So, yeah, it is true. Yes, we have different, we have three types of clouds. In the sunset. Yeah, it changes colors and it differs from the sizes. Yes, it is white, but we have different types of clouds. We have this cumulus, stratus, and cirrus. Okay. So later we will describe the clouds one by one. Ano ang sky blue? Ano ang sky blue? Okay? And now let us move on to the last type, which is the hail. So what does hail mean? Precipitation that forms from jets of frozen water in thunderstorm clouds. So do you think we experienced this hail? No. We don't experience this hail. It is just like the same lang po sila sa snow and snow. Isa-isa lang mag-CR po ha. And now, do you have any questions with the types of precipitation? Camila? Yes, most especially. It's like just an ice that fell to the ground. It is bigger than snow. Okay? Okay. Paano na yung mag-kidlat pa ba? Gusto ba mag-kidlat? Kasi paano ba natin yan? Bakit nangyari yan? It's because that's why. Ano ba brain? Bakit tayo? Bakit tayo? Okay, and trees, like that. Okay. So next is keep electronic appliances unplugged and that's it. Strike of lightning can cause electrical surges to burst through power lines and start a fire. So always keep the first aid kit within reach. Prepare flashlights, matches, and candles for emergency use in case power lines are cut off. Monitor the use of candles to avoid fire. And lastly, groceries and supermarkets may be closed during calamities. Have ready supply of bottled water, biscuits, and vitamins. Okay, those are the things that we need to do on Yes, you need to turn off the light. The light? Yes, you need to prepare during the storm. You need to prepare the first aid kit. You need to prepare some groceries, bottled water for you to be safe during the stormy season. Okay? Because stormy season can get or maaaring cause siya sa flash floods, sa other calamities. Okay, do you understand? And lastly, for the last part, we have here some safety precautions about wet, rainy weather. So first, we have here clean the drainage in your surroundings. Clear your place of any stagnant water that Thank you everyone. God bless.
Ayaw,